Zoom in.
Now it won't move?
Yeah, it won't move. It'll still move, but it'll be like straight. Instead of shaking, it'll be straight.
Bro, can you put my stuff down, dude? Lorax. Bro. Bro. Ma'am, you just gonna sit there perched up like you pay for that? Like the Lorax? What in the Lorax is going on here? You speak for the trees or you speaking for my tree that you chewing up on? Which one? Is that what you saying? You sitting up there perched up on my tree like I must got some serious stuff up in this yard, boy. The riches of the land. Because everything come here to eat. Everything. 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 Even the Lorax. Mouth full of cotton. Mouth straight full of cotton, bro. And look how fat he is. Like, what is he doing? Trying to devour the whole tree. Before anybody come. Looking like the Lorax, but the cotton, like, you're just gonna steal it and run. You told him we got cotton and now he's here to eat it.
Mm-hmm.
And looking around like we invade his privacy. The nerve. The nerve. Why do he got that hand on his mouth like that? Like, it is very funny. He's starting to make me think he look like a guinea pig.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you from, sir? Why are you here? You're a beautiful yellow bird. What is your message? Message. Look how little he is. Very small. Just sitting, he's so little. You see how little he is, little? I mean, he is the tiniest little yellow bird I've ever seen. You looking over here like I'm in your business. Like the Lord.
It's fairly simple.
He's just really sitting there with the stuff hanging out of his mouth.
He's backed by extreme groups who ban abortion nationwide. No exceptions for rape or incest. Dave McCormick. He's simply wrong for the women of Pennsylvania.
Now zoom out. That's how small he is. Zoom in. And he's this big. Who lost their bird? Did anybody lose their bird? Just for real. Everybody animals seem to come to my house and they just sitting on my trees, eating my stuff, everything that I got. Nobody's paying, they just eating my stuff. And it's getting ridiculous. And then this one gonna act like he the Lorax when I look out the window. Like he really speak for the trees. Like, no. You're eating my trees, bro. Eating my trees. He's still there. Did he eat the cotton? He ate it. The cotton is gone. He ate it, no? All up on my son Quentin. All up on my son Quentin. He really just moved in. Guess he lives here now.
Oh, wow.
He heard your call about the cotton. Oh, he's still here. You're gonna get some more cotton, look. You didn't pay for that, so you better not steal anymore. That is my son's cotton. He got a piece hanging out his mouth, too.
I see it.
It just left.